Hello everyone. Next topic is magnetic susceptibility. The XM denoted by the magnetic susceptibility. It is the property of substance which shows how easily a substance can be magnetized. What is the definition of magnetic susceptibility? It is the ratio of intensity magnetization is denoted by I in a substance to magnetic intensity is H applied to the substance is xm is equals to I divided by H. I is the intensity of magnetization and H means the magnetic intensity. The susceptibility has no unit. Is the no unit unitless when negative solid is diamagnetic, when small range of positive solid is paramagnetic. If large range value positive solid is ferromagnetic, it may be positive or negative. It is the dimensionless quantity susceptibility. Xm may be positive or negative, and when xm is negative, range of minus 10 raised to minus 5, the solid is diamagnetic. Is correct? Means is the solid is diamagnetic. And then xm is positive in small range of 10 raised to minus 3. The solid is paramagnetic, and the value of solid is already solid ferromagnetic, and this positive or negative is the magnetic susceptibility. Then the magnetic susceptibility of some materials. Here material and susceptibility is xm. Suppose material is gold. Gold susceptibility is minus 1.0.142 into 10 raised to minus 6. Silver, what is the 0.2 into 10 raised to minus 6. Copper 0.08 5 into 10 raised to minus 6. Tin minus 0.25 into 10 raised to minus 6. Zinc minus 0.157 10 raised to minus 6. Aluminium plus 0.65 into 10 raised to minus 6. Titanium again here 1.25 10 raised to minus 6. Tungsten is 0.32 10 raised to minus 6. Calcium is 1.10 10 raised to minus 6, and platinum is 0.98 into 10 raised to minus 6. This is the magnetic some materials. Here, what is the comparison between permeability and magnetic susceptibility? First here, what is the permeability? Permeability, the property of material by virtue of which it allows itself to magnetize is called as permeability. And magnetic susceptibility, it is the property uh, it is a proportionality constant that indicates the degree of magnetization of material in response to an applied magnetic field. What is the permeability? The ratio of magnetic field density to magnetic field strength, and the ratio of magnetization to magnetic field strength. It is measured in Henry per meter, and it is a unitless quantity or dimensionless quantity. This is a comparison between magnetic susceptibility and permeability. Next topic is Curie temperature. Curie temperature is a Curie temperature iron causes to ferromagnetic and becomes paramagnetic. Above Curie temperature, the domain structure of magnetic material gets destructed, and domain losses their alignment. They arrange in a random fashion. Thus, magnetic material loses ferromagnetic properties and becomes paramagnetic materials. Here, the Curie temperature of some magnetic material is listed. Here, copper, nickel, ferronium. Then Curie temperature is 1000, around 1404, and nickel is 631, and the Curie temperature above which the ferromagnetic material loses their magnetic properties, The Curie temperature domain structure for gets distracted and domainless losses their alignments is the relation between magnetic permeability and susceptibility is mu r is equal to 1 plus the Curie temperature the Cm. The properties of bar magnet. What is the properties of bar magnet? Is the freely suspended magnetic aligns itself along north pole to south direction. Unlike pole attract and like pole repel each other. Magnetic pole always exist in pair, that is the poles cannot be separated. Here magnet can induce magnetism in other magnetic substances and is attract magnetic substances. This is the properties of bar magnets. The magnetism. What is the magnetism? The phenomenon of attracting magnetic substances like iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. A body possessing the property of magnetism is called as the magnet. A magnetic pole is a point near the end the magnet where magnetism is concentrated. Here earth is the natural magnet. Earth always natural magnet. The region where the magnetic force acts as called as magnetic field. Then magnetization origin of magnetization. The magnetism arises from the magnetic moment or magnetic dipole of magnetic materials. When the electrons revolves around the nucleus, orbital magnetic moments arises similarly when the electron spins or spin magnetic moment arises. The permanent magnet moments can arise due to the orbital magnetic moment of the electrons, the spin magnetic moment of the electrons, and the spin magnetic moment of the nucleus. Thank you, students.